In this video, we are looking at the problems on page 5 of the 5.3 slides. Again, due to technology, I am unable to show the actual problems, but I'll read them off for you, and you can see them either in the book or in the slides if you want to follow along. Teresa and Raul purchased a house 10 years ago for $200,000. They made a down payment of 20% of the purchase price and secured a 30-year conventional home mortgage at 6% per year, compounded monthly on the unpaid balance. The house is now worth $380,000. How much equity do Teresa and Raul have in their home now after making 120 monthly payments? So since the down payment was 20% of $200,000, that's $40,000 that they paid right off the bat. So the total amount of the loan would be $160,000. I is R over M, and that is 0.06 over 12, or 5 thousandths. N is going to be 30 times 12, which is 360. We plug this into our calculator, or rather we plug this into the formula and get R equals 160,000 times 0.005 over 1 minus 1 plus 0.005, which is just 1.005, of course, raised to the negative 360th power. Plug that into a calculator, and it comes out to about $959.29. That's how much they pay per month. After 120 monthly payments have been made, the outstanding principal is given by the sum of the present values of the remaining installments. That is 360 minus 120 equals 240 installments. But this sum is just the present value of an annuity with N equals 240, R equals 959.28, and I equals 0.005. Using our annuity formula, P equals R times 1 minus 1 plus I to the negative N over I. We plug in those values, 959.28 times 1 minus 1.005 to the negative 240 over 0.005. And we get approximately $133,897.04. Therefore, Teresa and Raul have an equity of $380,000 minus $133,897.04. Which is $246,103 approximately. Moving on to our next problem. Sorry, I'm just trying to get everything aligned properly. That looks good. Okay. The Jacksons have determined that after making a down payment, they could afford at most $2,000 for a monthly house payment. The bank charges interest at the rate of 6% per year on the unpaid balance, with interest computations made at the end of each month. If the loan is to be amortized in equal monthly installments over 30 years, what is the maximum amount that the Jacksons can borrow from the bank? So here, I equals R over M, which is 0.06 over 12, or 0.005 5/1000ths. N equals 30 times 12, which is 360, and R equals 2,000. We are required to find P. So from our formula for amortization, not amortization, this is the formula for, hold on. Sorry, this is our formula for an annuity. P equals R times 1 minus 1 plus I to the negative n over I. So that gives us 2,000 times 1 minus 1.005 to the negative 360 over 0.005. Doing calculations from that, plugging that into a calculator, we get approximately $333,583.23. So the Jacksons can borrow at most $333,583 because we really don't deal in cents when it comes to home loans. In fact, usually we don't go under hundreds, having dealt with that myself last year. All right, that's it for this page. If you have any questions, let me know.